Hello, my YouTube family. It's been a while, I know. I'm back now officially, and you're here with Skipper Drones. And I'm here today, and I'm bringing you a new Nidici frame. This is this is the second build I built from the Nidici. This is the Queen, the 5-inch Queen, which is a nice build. I put the Foxeer Predator camera. It also has the Brother Hobby 2207 2800 kV motors on it. It also has the banana cutters, propellers. It has a Dow RC engine, F405 flight controller, Dow RC engine, 4-in-1 ESC. Has an XM Plus receiver, and this is pretty nice. The Foxeer Predator camera. So this is a pretty nice build. This is one of the first Nidici frame. I mean the second one. My bad. This is the second one. And this is the first one. I had to rebuild this one. This is the one my pup got a hold to, but I had the CL Racing flight control in here with the SpeedX 30 4-in-1 ESC. That was a nice setup with the ion motors. These was 2205 2500 kV ion motors on those. But this one right here, I put the flight controller in the 4-in-1, but I'm thinking about going with another different setup than the CL. I liked it, don't get me wrong, that's a nice setup. Actually, I think I'm gonna put that setup, the SpeedX 4-in-1 and CL Racing F4 flight controller. I'm gonna put in this, and this is the new frame from Nidici I have gotten. It's the AX215 15mm FPV. It takes, they say it's good to have the 5046 propellers with this one. So let's open her up and see what we have in the package here. We have four sets of arms here. We have the top plates, the middle plates. We have the standoffs, and they give you a nice, this is a heavy duty battery strap. So that's cool. So we have a caliber here. Alright, let's take a look at the arms here. Oh man, these arms are very, wow. Yeah, these are some nice carbon here. This is nice carbon. It's not rough around the edges. Yes, this is thick. These are some thick arms. Let's see, I have a caliber here. Let's see here. 6mm arms. Wow. 6mm arms. Wow. We have the plates here. Yes, these are the two camera mounts. We have a sandwich plate here. We have a top plate here. 2mm, and we have the sandwich plates here, which are 2mm. And we have the camera mounts here. All right, you guys, let's assemble her real quick, and I'll be back to show you it put together. All right, I'll be back after this. Okay, and we back. Alright, we had the frame assembled here. So it is a pretty nice, it's gonna be a beast, especially with these thick arms. So I'm looking at getting some good motors for this. This only takes the micro FPV cameras. They fit in there pretty nicely. But yeah, this only takes the micro FPV cameras. Well, like you should be able to get some good tilt out of that. Oh yeah, not like the Coon and like the Nidici Coon and the Quinn. The Quinn, they both supports the 30 by 30 or the 20 by 20 stacks. This only takes the 30 by 30 stack. It's a pretty nice frame. Fully assembled. The frame only weighs 79.2 grams. So that's still a pretty nice light frame. Some thick arms. I can't get over those arms. I'm gonna have to put some beast motors on here. Propeller span from the front, from propeller to propeller, is 13.5 millimeters. It's different in the back. The back is 15 centimeters. My bad, I'm sorry. It's 15 centimeters across. So yeah, this is gonna be a pretty nice build here. Now, I'm trying to decide which one I'm gonna put in it. I don't know if I'm gonna put the Dow RC. This is the F405 AIO flight controller here. These supposed to be some pretty good flight controllers. Or the CL Racing flight controller with the Speed X. I don't know. If y'all have any ideas, leave in the comment below. Alright, this is Skipper Drones, and I'm out. And I'll see you guys on the next video. And don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button. Thanks again for all my subscribers and my viewers. I appreciate it. And I am back. Back. I know I kept saying I'm back, but now I'm back, and we're gonna be doing a lot of content. So thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next video.